Hey bro science Steve. I've been hitting the gym lately, but I'm in a pickle. I think I'm skinny fat. Should I cut or bulk first?
Huh? Oh, Mikey, my friend, you need to go all out on the bulk. Embrace the gains and bulk until you can't see your own 2 feet.
Are you sure bro science Steve? Whoa, stop it right there. You two are about to take the wrong turn on the fitness highway. The real answer lies in the mystical realm of, drumroll please, body recomposition. Body what now? Stick around my friends and I'll tell you all the secrets to beat that skinny fat curse through body recomposition. Trust me, it's gonna be epic. What's going on? It's your boy, Louis Ha Fa Sho. You know how we do. Today we're diving into the confusing world of being skinny fat. If you're scratching your head, wondering whether you should bulk up or cut down, you're not alone. But don't worry, because I got your back. In this video, I'm gonna tackle on the skinny fat dilemma head on. So grab your favorite protein shake, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Alright, let's begin by understanding what actually being skinny fat means. So picture this, you got excess body fat you want to shred, but at the same time you lack that lean, sculpted muscle definition. So it's like being caught up in a fitness limbo. But fear not, because we're here to help you navigate your way out of this situation. Now let's break it down to 3 categories, because hey, we like to keep things organized. So here's category 1, skinny fat. In this case, you don't have much muscle, but you're also not overweight. You got belly and love handles, but your weight is actually below the ideal for your height. So for all the category 1 people out there, listen up. We've got a 2-step plan for you. Step 1, enter the lean muscle building phase. But hold up, because we're not talking about traditional bulking here, where you pile on the pounds of body fat. No. This is the lean muscle building phase. You want to run a small surplus, limiting fat gain while focused on gaining muscle.
Remember, we're aiming for gains, but not gains in the wrong places.
So picture this, you gain no more than 1% of your body fat each month. For instance, if you weigh around 150 pounds, that means no more than gaining 1.5 pounds per month. Keep in mind, this lean gaining phase is not a sprint, it's a marathon. I recommend running it for at least 6 months, but ideally go for 8 months, 10 months, or even a year, if you're up for the challenge. I mean, slow and steady wins the race, right? Alright, now that you build some solid muscle, here's step 2, the clean up fat loss phase. This is when you run a caloric deficit for around 8 to 12 weeks to shred all that excess body fat that you gain. By going through the cycles of gaining and losing fat, you'll accumulate more muscle and eventually bid farewell to the skinny fat dilemma for good. Moving on to category number 2, the truly skinny fat. If you have more body fat on you, and your weight is closer to your ideal height, then this one is for you. Get ready for the ultimate challenge, a body recomposition, also known as gaintaining. It's time to show those love handles who's boss. Gaintaining mode activated. So here's the deal. Set your diet to a caloric maintenance level, focus on a high protein diet, and give it your all during your workouts. Remember, progressive overload is your best friend. You're aiming to build muscle and lose fat at the same time. Now let's be real, this process takes time. It's not a quick fix, but trust me, the results will be worth it. Especially if you're a beginner or have the potential to gain muscle easily. Now, if you're aiming for that slim, lean look, I've got an alternative for you. You can opt for a less aggressive caloric deficit. By losing around 0.5 pound to 1 pound per week, you can achieve a leaner and slimmer appearance. Once you reach your desired look, you can either continue with the muscle building phase or simply maintain your new physique. The choice is yours. And finally, let's tackle category 3, the skinny fat. If you have even more body fat, especially around the midsection, but the rest of your body remains skinny, then listen up. This 2-step process is the reverse of category 1. First, it's time for fat loss. You got enough body fat already, so let's get rid of it. Aim to bring your body fat percentage down to around 12 to 15%. It's time to bid farewell to those pesky love handles. Sayonara, spare tire. Now, I just want to say I don't recommend an aggressive caloric deficit. You should aim to lose no more than 1% of your body fat per week, but I prefer 0.5% per week. This ensures that you're still eating enough to fuel your muscle gains, and trust me, you want to preserve those hard-earned muscles. Once you reach your desired body fat percentage, it's time to enter the second step, which is similar to category 2. You can embark on a lean gaining or gaintaining phase. Here's where the magic happens. As you continue to shred fat and gain muscle, you'll see the most dramatic results, and it will happen faster than the other categories. Get ready to say hello to a new, fitter you. Whew, that was a lot to take in, but hey, we made it through. Just remember, no matter which category you fall in, the root cause of skinny fat problems is not just about excess fat, but also a lack of muscle. So brace yourself for some muscle building adventures. Now, here's the hard truth. Muscle building is not as easy as losing fat. It takes time, patience, and consistency. Some people worry about gaining a lot of fat during the muscle building phase, but trust me, it's a necessary part of the journey. Don't be afraid of challenging yourself and focus on building muscle. Hard work, smart work, and consistency are the keys to crushing that skinny fat dilemma. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but those biceps won't mind a quick detour to Pizzaville. Alright homies, that's a wrap for my guide on how to tackle the skinny fat dilemma. Remember, it may take time, but with dedication and consistency, you'll conquer this challenge. Online coaching will be available soon. I also have another YouTube channel if you're interested. We talk more about mindset, creating better habits, discipline, and achieving your goals outside of fitness. So if that sounds good to you, head on over to Louis Ha Fa Sho. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And oh yeah, don't forget to bring the shreds, and I will talk to you soon. Peace.